Hey, what's up guys? Cheese Grater here. Today we're going to make a Minecraft mod, or we're going to start making a Minecraft mod by setting up the development environment. The first thing you want to do is you want to set up Java. The game is written in Java, so we're going to have to download Java. Specifically, we're going to download Java 8, or the development kit for Java 8. So you go to this link, it will be in the description, and scroll down to your system. I'm using a Windows 64 system. You click this link, it'll take you to a sign-in page, and you make an account and sign in that way to download Java. Next thing we want to do is we want to download Eclipse. You can use IntelliJ if you want, or any other IDE. I personally prefer Eclipse, so I'm going to use Eclipse for this. So just click on the download link. Again, I'm using Windows 64. Things might be different for other systems. So my link is Windows 64. For our final download, we're going to download Minecraft Forge, specifically the 1.15.2 version. So you go to the side, click on 1.15.2, and you want to go to download recommended and download the MDK. So you click on that, it'll send you to an AdFly link. You wait for 5 seconds and then you click the button in the top right and it'll start the download. So I have all three of the files here that we've downloaded. So there's Eclipse, there's Forge, and there's Java. So with Java, we double click it to install it. You follow the instructions. I've already installed it. There will be an installer, and just keep hitting next and you'll have Java on your system. But the second part of installing Java is to set up the system environment variables to point to Java. So you do that by going to your search bar here. You type in system environment variables, and you want to go to edit the system environment variables. You click that. It'll take you to this page. This is part of the control panel. And you click environment variables. And you want to go down to your system variables here, go to path, edit, and now where you've installed Java, I've installed Java in my program files here. So we're using the 1.8 version of Java, or Java 8. So what you want to do is you want to go in here, go into the bin, copy the link here, click new, and then paste it in. Then hit OK. Specifically, you have to get the system path to point to the bin, because the bin is where all the code and the stuff that Java uses, all the executables for Java are. Okay, once Java is installed, we want to download Eclipse. So we install Eclipse using the launcher. Once the installer is booted up, you want to click Eclipse IDE for Java developers. This will point to your Java installation folder. This will automatically be there if you've edited your system environment variables. Oh, you want to restart your PC after you edit your system environment variables. And hit install if you like where everything's installed, and this will install. Midway through the installation, you're going to get this terms and conditions thing. Just accept it and Eclipse will install. Once you've installed Eclipse, just run it to see if it's working, and your workspace can be anything, any folder where you're keeping all your code. So this could be on your desktop, this could be in your documents, it could be anywhere. You hit launch. Once Eclipse is launched, you can just hit the X up there. Once you've installed Eclipse, go ahead and give it a run. And you can leave this workspace as default. It'll usually be in C/users/your/name/ Eclipse workspace. I've changed it to a different folder. This will be the default folder, and you can have it as anything. You hit launch. Eclipse will open up, and this is the window you'll be greeted to. And if you want to do any coding, you hit the X here, and this will be where everything is. So Eclipse works perfectly, so we can just hit close. Now we're going to set up Minecraft Forge. So what you want to do is you want to extract this folder that was downloaded from the Minecraft Forge website. You extract all, and you'll be greeted by all of these files. So what you're supposed to do, if you check the README, if you're using Eclipse, you have to run Gradle W gen Eclipse runs. So what you do is you shift right click an empty space in your folder, and you click open PowerShell window, and once you're in the command line, you type /Gradle W gen Eclipse runs. And this will set up your project. If this doesn't work and it comes up with an error message, check if you've installed Java correctly, and you've installed the correct version of Java, which we're using Java 8. I think Java 7 and 6 might also work. This will take a very long time to install, so I will see you guys when this is done. Everything is installed now, so we head back to Eclipse, we hit launch, and we go to File, we import this project. So the project is a Gradle project, so we click existing Gradle project, we hit next, next again, and search for the folder. My folder's in the desktop. We hit select, next, next. Okay, once you've imported the project, everything should theoretically be set up. So the Minecraft, the example mod in here given will work, and Minecraft should run without any errors. So what you want to do is you want to go down into these Gradle tasks down here. This window might not be here, so you want to hit to window and I believe show view. You want to go to other, and you want to go to Gradle, and Gradle tasks is the thing you want to show. So mine is down here. You can move it somewhere else if you want, like up here. I prefer to have it down here. So you hit this and you go to FG runs and you run the client. And what that should do is it should launch Minecraft. So Minecraft is launching right now. And so to summarize, in this part, we set up our development environment, and we got Minecraft Forge to work in Eclipse. So Minecraft works now. You can go create a world. It can be creative. In the next part, we will be going over how to configure our mod and some first-time setup, and also making blocks. Thanks for watching, and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you want more content.